Hi, this is Mrs. Patterson, and today I am bringing you more real-life algebra. This past week, we've been studying slope. Your groups brought in pictures with examples of slopes you found in the community. A picture I decided to bring in is a handicap ramp. Today you will learn how to use a technology product to evaluate your ramp and see if it meets the Federal American Disabilities Act standards for wheelchair ramps. First, a look at why we have ADA standards. We don't want this to happen here. As you found out last week, the ADA guidelines are a 1 foot to 12 foot ratio. Go ahead and open a new tab, and you're going to type in GeoGebra, GeoGebra.com. Once we do that, go ahead, click on the graph. We're going to pull it to the lower left so that you have plenty of workspace. We'll primarily be working in quadrant 1. Next, click on the upper left blue bar, click on the center icon that says Tools, and we're going to scroll down to where it says Media. You're going to click on Image. You're going to choose your file. Double click, click OK, and here is your file. The next thing that we're going to do, if you click on the image, you'll see a little droplet. Go ahead and click there. This lets you adjust the transparency of the photo. I'm going to make it pretty transparent so that I can see the grid lines behind it. Now use the lower right corner of the photo to adjust the size to a pretty full screen image. Let's keep it lined up. Go ahead and go back to the upper left in the toolbar, click on Move. We're going to grab that photo and we want the bottom of the ramp, the left end of the ramp base, to be at 0, 0. We're going to click on the ramp one more time, the photo one more time, and up here where these 3 dots are, click that, and we're going to click Fix Object. Okay, let's go over here and grab a point, and we're going to place that point at 0, 0. We're going to ride up the ramp to the platform there, and we're going to go ahead and place another point at the top of that ramp, right there, right where the platform starts. We want to take a look. We're going to want to place another point right below that, but let's check and see where that point needs to go. If we want them to line up, click over here again at the top right, top left, click on the algebra tool. Okay, my point D is at 11, 2, and so go back to the tools. I want this point, click on point, to be at 11, 0. Okay, we can click on that. There it is. I could have entered it as a point right there. Okay, click back on the tools. So we're back in the tool menu, and we are going to create some segments. So we're going to scroll down here. Here's segments. We're going to click on segment. We're going to create a segment from C, then click Control to E, and then click on E, Control to D. And let's go ahead and do that one more time and round out this triangle. Click D, Control to C. Okay, so we can see where the ramp is, and we can see where our measurements are going to be. on the toolbar, find and select Measure. We are going to find slope, so we need to find the height. How high is this? We are going to click on E, Control D, and there is our height. Let's move that a little out of the way. We can scroll back up, pick Move, and let's just put this, we can put it, we can't move it too far. We can put it right there. Okay. Then we're going to scroll back down, click on Measure Distance. We're going to measure the horizontal distance. Click on C, hold Control, click on E, and our horizontal distance is 11. We're going to go ahead and move that down so we can see. Okay, the next thing, we're going to find out what this ratio is and compare it to what the ADA standards are. Yesterday you looked that up and found that safe handicap ramps should be 1 to 12, a 1 inch to 12 inch, a 1 foot to 12 foot slope. Let's go ahead and graph what that ADA standard would look like. We're going to create another segment. We're going to start at C. We're going to count up 1 over 12, plot that point, and then we'll create another segment, go from F straight down, and we'll go ahead and go from there back. So now we can see what the ADA standard would look like. So click back on the calculator, and here we're going to put in the ADA standard. That is 1 over 12. And then let's put in ours. Our height was 2, and our horizontal length was 11. Okay, as you can see, comparing those two numbers, our ramp has a much steeper slope than the ADA recommendation.